Essay 7, Summary of Advances in ECE Theory 2003 to 2010. The Einstein-Cartan-Evans ECE Unified Field Theory has swept the world of physics since inception in 2003, as can be seen objectively from feedback data monitored every day for 6.5 years. There is a very high quality interest in ECE. Essentially, there have been visits from every university of note in the world. The ECE theory was recognized on 28th of February 2005 by a British High Honour, the appointment of Professor M.W. Evans to the Civil List in recognition of distinguished service to Great Britain in science. Professor Evans' predecessors in chemical physics include Michael Faraday. His predecessors in physics include Sir William Rowan Hamilton and Oliver Heaviside. Predecessors in chemistry include John Dalton and James Joule, and in astronomy, William Herschel and Sir George Airy, Astronomers Royal. Since Professor Evans is a US dual citizen, ECE theory has been recognized in the United States in 26 editions of the world's leading reference vehicle, Marquis Who's Who. On July 7th, 2008, Professor Evans was raised to Amateur rank of Gentleman with Coat of Arms in further recognition of ECE theory and Omnia Opera. On July 20th, 2010, he attended a garden party at Buckingham Palace at the invitation of Queen Elizabeth II in further recognition of ECE theory and numerous other achievements, honours and awards. In 2010, the main ECE website, AIAS.US, was recognized as an outstanding website and archived in the National Library of Wales and webarchive.org.uk. The AIAS.US website is also archived in the British National Web Archives through the National Library of Wales and the British Library. The three other ECE websites are atomicprecision.com, et3m.net and uptech.org. The latter two sites display new energy devices based on ECE theory and medical devices. The ECE theory is therefore making by far the greatest impact of avant-garde theories of physics. This impact can be measured precisely and in great detail using three fully computerized feedback sites to AIAS.US. The theory has been published in several journals, and in August and September 2010, a paper on ECE was given at a plenary by the Serbian Academy of Sciences. It has been proposed to the European Economic Community as a fundamental theory in nanotechnology and descaling technology. Physics. The major importance of ECE theory in natural philosophy is that it is the first successful unified field theory in the history of physics. It is based on the theory of relativity and extends relativity in a self-consistent and relatively simple way to include the fundamental force fields. Since 2005, the theory has been extended in many directions, as can be seen from the Unified Field Theory preprints posted on AIAS.us in advance of occasional publication in book format and sometimes as plenaries or journal format. The overview summary of feedback groups together and reviews the papers. The major advances of ECE include the derivation of all the equations of physics from geometry, the unification of quantum mechanics and general relativity, the development of electrodynamics as a theory of general relativity, the introduction of the spin connection into electrodynamics, making fundamental advances